Hello and welcome. My name is Adam Gordon, and I will be your trainer for this class, ITIL Version 3 Foundations. I've been working with ITIL for several years now, and am a Foundations practitioner or certified person on the Foundations solution for ITIL. I'm also a trainer that deals with ITIL on a regular and consistent basis. I work also with the Microsoft Solutions Framework as a practitioner and a trainer, and also with the Microsoft Operations Framework, or the MSF and MOF solutions in the Microsoft world. I also deal a lot with COBIT and Sarbanes-Oxley compliance, HIPAA, and a bunch of other frameworks or solution frameworks and service provisioning frameworks that allow you to understand how to have a customer-centric focus for IT in the enterprise. As we begin to discuss the concepts around the ITIL Version 3 Foundation solution, it's going to be important for us to harken back for a moment to Version 2 and understand where we've come from in order to understand where we're going. As we begin our discussions in the class, you will see that we will cover a little bit of ground that's probably, in some cases, going to be a review for some of you, because I will discuss Version 2 briefly and talk about where Version 2 has come from in terms of the architecture and the individual components that make up the Version 2 framework. It'll be important to understand both the areas of service support, or what's known as the Blue Book, and service delivery, or what's been known as the Red Book and the ITIL V2 platform, and discuss the areas of practice that make those particular books up in order for us to understand the service-centric model that ITIL has represented for us since its inception. As we move out beyond Version 2, we'll begin to then go into the Version 3 Foundation solution and make sure that we understand how Version 3 will impact us and allow us going forward to move from a service delivery, service design solution into a service lifecycle management solution and talk about the 5 key areas of the lifecycle that IT will be focused on in Version 3. In Version 3, as we go through and talk about the 5 distinct areas of the life cycle, we want to make sure we understand what they are. And we'll talk about strategy, design, transition, operations, and continual improvement. And these are the 5 key areas, or the 5 books that have been designed in the Version 3 platform. As we go through and discuss each area in depth, we'll take a look at the individual components that make up the practice areas. We'll talk a lot about how they work and what the things are that you need to know as a practitioner or getting ready to become a Foundation certified practitioner, what you will need to know in order to be able to better understand how to utilize this information, and also how to bring it to fore, or bring it to the fore and bring it to bear inside your ITIL-centric organization as you look to build a strong foundation for customer-centric service and lifecycle support using ITIL as the linchpin for that.